What's up, guys? Kevin here with Texas Veteran Lawn Service. So I have a couple of nails in one of my truck tires. Actually, in one of the tires I got about 2 or 3 nails. So I've never done a plug kit, so we're going to do that for the first time right here. We're going to learn together, you know, and hopefully I can get it right and you guys can learn something, and then you can have the confidence to fix your truck tire or your car tire or your trailer tire or your mower tire or whatever. So first you want some type of tire plug kit. I bought mine at AutoZone. There's different variations of the plug kits. Some have a whole bunch of them in the kit. Some of them just have a couple of them. Then you can buy different sections instead of all a kit. Anyway, so some plug kits are designed for smaller tires. Some are designed for bigger tires, so be aware of that. So when you go to purchase a plug kit, go to an auto parts store. Don't go to like Walmart or something, and then ask, hey, which one of these I'm repairing, this size tire fits for this, what do you guys think I should get? And so do that. But pretty much it'll be the same process. Now, we can't break the tire off the wheel, so we can't do any patches, but we can do the plugs, and we're gonna give it a shot. So here we go. Okay, guys, so some of the things you're going to need an air compressor of some kind. Of course, you're going to need your air hose. Then you're going to need to be able to put air in the tire. So I bought this thing a couple months ago from Lowe's. It's a pretty cool deal. It is it's an air pump handle deal, and it's come with a hose there. It just clips on. It's got the pressure gauge all the way up to 150 psi, which is pretty cool. And if you need to let just a little bit of air out of the tire, you hook it up, press this brass button. Well, it's got to be hooked up first, and then air will come out. But you squeeze the trigger and you put stuff in there. So right now, what we want to do, and you also want to make sure you have safety glasses. Be smart. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you want to let the air out of the tire. Okay, so we're going to undo the valve. We're going to hook up the air compressor here, hook it on there, and then press the button and deflate. That way there's no pressure in the tire and this nail doesn't come out and get us. Where that other one is. Okay, I don't think that's really doing it. I thought it would. But I just push the valve in. It's always easy. Alright, that's pretty flat. So what we're going to do now is we're going to work on getting these needle nose pliers around that little bitty nail right there. Now that we've taken a lot of that air out, this rubber should be a lot easier to be able to push in and grab that nail. This is the nail right there. It may be kind of tricky at first. Like I said, I've never done this before. Almost there. You really need 2 hands with this guy. You want to make sure you're wearing safety glasses, because even though there's still a little bit of air in here, you don't want to take a chance this guy firing back at you. Oh, whoo! Look at that guy. Oh man. Yeah, that's a nasty one right there. See, the head's broke clean off. Alright. So here is our kit that we got. We got it from AutoZone, nothing fancy, but so here it says for cars and trucks. So we're gonna go ahead and read the instructions, so make sure you do that. So here just read the instructions on what you need to do. Your package may be different, so I don't want to give you the steps here, and it's the steps for the package I got, but not the steps for the package you got. So let's go ahead and get started. Now for our package, it wants us to start out with this right here. This has some rough edges here, so we're going to push it in there, and basically it's just going to rough up the inside of here. Okay. Whew. Alright, so slide up and down. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to take this tool right here with that eye. We're going to take one of these plugs right here. And you're just going to feed it through. Get about halfway. So we're going to take this rubber cement here, and they want us to go ahead and put it on here. Okay, and it says for us to push it in real fast and then pull it out. Just like that. So we'll let that dry. Now once that's dry, we're going to take a razor and we're going to cut it right off flush with that right there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and got us a little knife here. We're going to cut off the excess. Okay, and it tells us that it wants us to fill it up with air and then check for leaks with soapy water. So these tires, my 2017 Dodge runs off of, or it has 39 pounds. This one is max pressure 44, so we're just going to go for 40. See how that does. And I find with that other nail is there two in here. See, you let it go, and it tells you where you're at. It's made by Cobalt. You can get that at Lowe's. I'm sure Home Depot's got their brand, Ryobi, that's got something like this. We're going to go to 40. Okay, so normally, let's turn this compressor off. Okay, normally after you do those steps, you would want to use some soapy water and spray it on there through a spray bottle and kind of see, you know, if anything's bubbling up or whatnot. But we'll be able to know by the morning time if any air has leaked out, because it'll be considerably lower, and we can check the pressure. But normally, before I pull that nail out, gosh, I could probably go a whole month without putting any air in it. So I may not notice right away tomorrow, but I'll wait a few days and kind of see where we're at. So but anyways, hopefully this tip helped you guys. I know I learned a lot. I've never done anything like this before. There is another nail in that tire, but I want to stick with that repair first, because then if it doesn't leak any air out, then why bother, you know, with the other one. So anyways, my red truck has got a nail in that tire, but in about the same spot, but the sidewall is damaged. So it holds air, but it's really best to go ahead and replace that with a brand new tire, because I don't want to have a blowout when my wife has the kids and they're on the highway or anywhere for that matter. But we'll probably keep the tire. We'll keep it in storage. It's just a backup to the backup, because you never know when you might need one. So anyways, other than that, if you have any questions, just let me know. Be sure to check out echomeansbusiness.com. It's a great website. It's got a lot of really good information on there. It's free. And you guys have a great week. I'm Kevin, and you'll see me next time.